Hello and welcome to this mini course, which is really going to build your painting confidence. Hi, I'm Nicola. So how is it going to do that? Well, it's going to take you well and truly out of your comfort zone, and it's doing that really makes the difference. Have you ever wondered why some people are so good at what they do? It's because they learn to trust themselves. They learn to trust that they are able to do it, and they just go out and try it a bit differently. So what are we going to do in this course? Well, you're going to be painting a bunch of grapes, but you are not going to use a pencil. You are going to use a big brush. You're only going to use 3 colours, lots of water, and you're going to learn how to create the mass and the shape of the subject, and then gradually build on what you have created. Now, so many people say, I want to be able to paint in a more relaxed, fluid style with more water and have more fun and let go of control. Well, this is the course that's going to do it. So I suggest you take a look, dive in and just get